I was very scared if there was a tsunami. The next morning, the weather was very rainy. It was the first day of the trip and I didn't think it would rain heavily. The weather was unpredictable and we didn't know where to go in bad weather. Some streets were really flooded. This was the first time I saw Bandar Abbas like this. This is one of the attractions of the people of Bandar Abbas and travelers. Here is the sea and I want to show you. Let's go. Bandar Abbas is near Kerman and you can see the video of the wonderful historical places I went to in Kerman. Here, people would buy tea and hookah and smoke hookah and drink tea in their cars, especially in rainy days. It is 7 p.m. and the rain has stopped and I'm going out. There are special spices for Bandar Abbas dishes here. The weather was good and the people were enjoying the weather. Dancing in the street in public is prohibited in Iran. But the good mood of Bandar Abbas did not care about the ban until... But it was the first time I saw big waves with this power and I was terrified that night. That night with the stress, because I was imagining what if there was a tsunami. But the next day the weather was mild and I was able to start my journey. Thanks for watching!